Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. By the end of this session, you'll demonstrate your ability to use Microsoft Excel to perform basic arithmetic operations, such as multiplication, using the prices of the top 10 household commodities. You'll also learn to sort data alphabetically and numerically, and create a pie chart to visually represent value. Imagine your budget analyst tracking the prices of common household items. Your task is to organize the data, calculate taxes based on a fixed quantity of one of each item, sort the items, and create a pie chart to show the price distribution. Okay, let's dive into Excel. Step 1. Setting up your Excel worksheet. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Start with a blank workbook. In the first row, type these column headers. In cell A1, enter item name. In Z1, enter price. And in C1, enter tax 12%. Now, let's input the sample data for the top 10 household commodities and their prices. Here we go. In A2, type price, and in B2, type 1,200. A3, cooking oil, B3, 150. A4, sugar, B4, 80. A5, salt, B5, 25. A6, canned goods, B6, 16. A7, soap, B7, 45. A8, detergent, B8, 200. A9, toothpaste, B9, 120. B10, coffee, B10, 300. B11, milk, B11, 90. Your worksheet should now have data from A1 to B11. No need for a quantity column as we're assuming a quantity of 1 for each item. Step 2. Performing arithmetic operations. Now, let's calculate the tax for each item based on a 12% rate. In cell C2, type the formula. This calculates 12% tax on the price for rice. Press enter. And you should see 144 in C2. Next, hover over the bottom right corner of C2 until you see a small square. That's the fill handle. Click and drag it down to C11 to copy the formula for all items. Then, let's find the grand total of the taxes. In cell D12, type, type grand total. Type the formula. And press enter. This sums of all the taxes. Your table now includes a calculated tax column. Step 3. Sorting data. Let's organize the data. Highlight the entire table from A1 to C11. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Sort. In the Sort dialog box, set Sort by to item name. Choose A to Z under order and click OK. The table is now sorted alphabetically by item name. Want to try another sort? Open the Sort tool again. This time, set Sort by the price. Choose largest to small under order. And click OK. Now, the items are sorted by price with the most expensive at the top. Feel free to experiment with sorting by the tax column tool. Step 4. Creating a pie chart. Try to visualize the data. Highlight the item name column from A2 to A11. Tap Control to select these non-adjacent ranges. Go to the Insert tab. Click the pie chart icon and select 2D, the first option. A pie chart will appear on your worksheet. Let's customize it. Click the chart title and rename it to my full name. Take a look. Which item has the largest slice? It should be priced at 1,200 pesos. Step 5. Save your word. Almost done. Click File, then Save As. Name your file Household Utilities Analysis. Choose a location to save it, and click Save. Great job so far. Congratulations. You've successfully used Microsoft Excel to perform arithmetic operations like multiplication for taxes, sort data alphabetically and numerically, and create a pie chart to visualize price distribution. These skills, you can analyze budgets, track expenses, and present data visually. Keep practicing to become an Excel pro. Thanks for following along.